Hello there, everyboddles. I'm SilverSam, and today I'm going to be unboxing the amazing Vibratone from Lovehoney.com.
Watch out!
Thank you, Mildred. I use my trusty letter opener to dispatch the sturdy outer packaging to reveal, wait for it, spot on, Love Money, Vibratone. Seems like a very large quantity of noisy bubble wrap. Better clear the area ready for the grand opening. Et voila! Nice box. Time to take this baby for a spin. Oh, come on now. Not that sort of spin. Open that box and there she is in all her glory. Whoops. Boring instructions and then enjoy. Satisfaction guaranteed. Well, we'll see about that. Testing time. Ooh, good strong vibrations, and that flashing light's bound to come in very handy. But on the downside, the buttons are extremely small and fiddly, and there are only 3 notes. Very limiting. Mind you, I think I am getting the hang of it now. Here we go. I can't get now.